How to fix allow access to camera missing on iPhone apps. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to the settings of your device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down and then head over to Screen Time. Head over to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure to toggle on this button. Once done, head over to Allowed Apps and Features. You have to make sure that the camera option is turned on. Once done, now go back and head over to Privacy and Security right here. You need to scroll down and search for the application camera. Once you find it, head over to it. In here, search for the application in which camera access is missing. And then toggle on this button of Allow Access to Camera. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is go back and then try uninstalling the application in which the Allow Access camera is missing. Tap on Remove App. Once again, click on Delete App. Once done, reinstall the application and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.